What if an ESP32-CAM could detect garbage using artificial intelligence in real time? In this project, I combined an ESP32-CAM, Python, OpenCV, and YOLOv8 to build a smart garbage detection system. As soon as garbage appears in front of the camera, the AI instantly detects it, draws a red bounding box, and displays the detection live. So let's build this amazing AI-powered project step by step. The ESP32-CAM is compact and affordable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth-enabled development board based on the ESP32 microcontroller. It comes with built-in OV2640 2-megapixel camera. Make it ideal for image processing, live video streaming, face recognition, surveillance, and AI-based vision projects. Despite its small size and low cost, it offers enough processing power to capture images and stream them wirelessly, making it a popular choice for IoT and computer vision applications like this AI garbage detection system. After uploading the code to the ESP32-CAM, open the serial monitor. Once the ESP32-CAM connects to your Wi-Fi network, it will display its IP address along with live stream URL. Copy this IP address because we will use it later in the Python application to receive the live video stream for AI garbage detection. Now that the ESP32-CAM is successfully streaming live video, the next step is to set up the Python application that will perform the AI garbage detection. Now to install the required libraries, open the command prompt. Install all the required Python libraries, including Ultralytics, YOLOv8, OpenCV, requests, NumPy, and pandas. After that, place your trendbits.pt model in the same folder as the Python script. Next, update the Python code with your ESP32-CAM IP address so it can connect to the live stream. When you run the program, it will automatically receive video frame from the ESP32-CAM. Analyze each frame using the YOLOv8 model and detect garbage in real time. Whenever garbage is detected, the application will draw a red bounding box around the object, display its class name and confidence score. Save a snapshot of the detection and record the detection in CSV log file. Once everything is configured, simply run the Python script and your AI-powered garbage detection system will start monitoring the live video stream automatically. Now it's time to test the project. As you can see, there is no garbage in front of the camera, so the system displays clear, indicating that no waste has been detected. Next, I place a piece of paper in front of the ESP32-CAM. Within a few minutes, the AI model successfully detects it and draw a red bounding box around the paper. Now I place a plastic bottle beside the paper. As you can see, the model detects both objects simultaneously, and separate red bounding boxes appear around each of them, showing that the system can identify multiple pieces of garbage at the same time. After that, I remove both the paper and the bottle. Since there is no garbage in the camera view, the system returns in the clear status. It may take a second or two to update, as the AI processing the incoming video frames in real time. Finally, I place another plastic bottle in front of the camera. After a brief moment, the AI model detected it successfully and highlighted it with the red bounding box, demonstrating that the system can continuously monitor the live video stream and accurately detect garbage whenever it appears. Now that the testing is complete, I can simply press the Q key on the keyboard to close the AI garbage detection application. Next, let's open the snapshots folder. As you can see, every image captured during garbage detection has been saved successfully. Along with the snapshots, the system also creates a CSV log file. Every time garbage is detected, the application automatically records the date, time, detected object, confidence score, and the corresponding image file name in the CSV file. This makes it easy to keep a complete record of all detection events and review them later whenever needed. With that, our AI garbage detection system using ESP32-CAM, Python, OpenCV, and YOLOv8 is working successfully. And that's it, our AI garbage detection system using ESP32-CAM, Python, OpenCV, and YOLOv8 is now complete and working successfully. I hope you enjoyed this project and learned something new about combining artificial intelligence with IoT. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing Arduino, ESP32, AI, robotics, and IoT projects. If you have any questions or suggestions, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next project.